Another session on probability random process. Today we will discuss about some special distributions here. That distributions ideas are very much important to deal some probability ideas here based on their some special conditions here. Relative to some probability distribution functions, probability functions here, we can classify some important distributions here. We have two discrete distributions we are going to consider. We are going to discuss here. One is binomial, another one is Poisson distribution. One is binomial distribution, another one is Poisson distribution. These two are discrete. These two involves discrete random variable. Therefore, they are called discrete distributions here. And similarly, we are going to consider two continuous distributions. Continuous distributions, they are called, first one is normal or Gaussian distribution, another one is gamma or Erlang distributions here. These two involves a continuous random variable, therefore they are generally called continuous distributions, continuous distribution. Therefore, before moving into, first we are going to see that discrete distribution, binomial distribution. Before moving into binomial distribution, now we will discuss about the one concept, that what is that? Bernoulli random variable, Bernoulli random variable or Bernoulli variate, Bernoulli random variable or Bernoulli variate here. When can you say that a random variable capital X is a Bernoulli random variable? Means if it takes only two values, one is for success, another one is for failure here. Generally, you take a success value as a 1 happening event and failure as a 0 here, failure as a 0. Therefore, a random variable capital X is said to follow Bernoulli random variable if it assumes only two values here, 0 for failure and 1 for success here. Suppose if you mention success probability by small letter p, success probability by small letter p, and failure probability by small letter q here, such that p plus q is equal to 1, because only two values here. Therefore, if you add these two probability value, you can get definitely 1 here. Then, what about the PDF for this kind of random variable here? What about the PDF for this kind of random variable? That is f of x, that is probability x equal to x here. That will be very simple here. Success probability is p. Success probability is p. Therefore, we can simply write it as p power x q power 1 minus x here. P power x q power 1 minus x. That already you know that. If you put x equal to 0, if you want to get only failure probability, x equal to 0 means here x equal to 0, you can get q power 1, p power 0, 1, only q you can get. If you put x equal to 1, you can get only p, q power 1 minus 1, 0, therefore you can get p power 1, p only here. Therefore, you can represent this random variable with the help of the PDF p power x q power 1 minus x here. Only two values here, x equal to 0 and 1 here. These are all the successes or failure you can get it. Suppose if you repeat this Bernoulli trial, in n number of times, if you repeat this Bernoulli trial in n number of times, what about the success rate you can consider here? If you repeat this trial n number of times, therefore no time success, 1 time success, 2 times success, 3 times success. Similarly, you can move up to n time success here. Therefore, here success values moves up to 0 to n, 0 to n. 0, no success means failure, all time failure only. No success, only 1 success, 2 success, n successes here. Therefore, getting x successes, that is a PDF here. Getting x successes, that is a PDF. Therefore, that is given by the combination idea here. NCX p power x q power n minus x. NCX p power x q power n minus x. Because you are searching for getting x successes here, Therefore, successes, if you consider that here, first n trial you are going to consider here, success, failure, success, some order you can get here, success, failure in terms of some x successes you are going to consider here. Similarly, that x successes not only this order here, any order you can get here. Yes, failure, yes, in that manner you can get here. This is x successes here. Some x successes here, and here is also x successes. We are going to consider here. Some order you can get here. Therefore, totally n trials here. Therefore, you can get NCX way. We can form success here. We can form success. Therefore, in that case, you can get it as NCX ways. NCX ways. For NCX ways, getting X successes can be identified with the help of NCX ways here. The PDF is same PDF here, P power X, but as you are trying for N way, N times here, therefore instead of 1 minus X here, you can use N minus X here. N minus X here. Yes, X successes means in the N trial, remaining thing will be N minus X failures here. Remaining thing will be N minus X failures here. For X successes, you are going to consider, therefore in the N trial, remaining thing will be N minus X failures here. Therefore, you can get NCX P power X Q power N minus X here. Therefore, if you repeat a Bernoulli trial N number of times, the PDF is given by NCX P power X Q power N minus X, and the successes moves up to 0 to N here. Successes move up to 0 to N. Now, we can move on to the definition of binomial distribution. Definition of binomial distribution. A random variable capital X, a random variable capital X said to follow means follow this symbol here. A random variable capital X said to follow binomial distribution. In binomial distribution, two things are important here. N and P, these two are parameters here. These two are parameters. A random variable capital X said to follow binomial distribution if it takes a PDF of the form, the same PDF, Bernoulli trial N number of times. NCX P power X Q power N minus 3. NCX P power X Q power N minus X, X equals 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. N here. For all other values here, except this number of value, the PDF is equal to 0 here. PDF is equal to 0. Then you can say that such a random variable said to follow binomial distribution here. Such random variable is said to follow binomial distribution. Why this name is called a binomial idea here? Because your PDF will be NCX P power X Q power N minus X, Q power N minus X, X equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. N here. 1, 2, 3, etc. N. Therefore, if you put X equal to 0, what time you can get NC 0, 1 na? X equal to 0, P power 0, 1, or you can get Q power N. If you put X equal to 1 here, what you can get here? NC1 P Q power 1 minus N. Similarly, X equal to 2, NC2 P Q power N minus 2, etc. NCN, NCN will be 1, therefore it will be, you can get it as P power N, Q power N minus 0, 0, N minus N 0, Q power 0, 1, therefore you can get P power N, P power N. See these terms here, Q power N minus 1, P increases, Q power N minus 2, P square, sorry, this is P square, X equal to 2 P square, and Q decreases, P increases here. What about this one here? These are all the successive terms of the binomial expression Q plus P whole power N. These are all the successive terms of the binomial expression Q power P whole power N. Already you know that here. It moves like that here, it will be P power N. Therefore, this is a binomial expression here. And therefore, these values, if you put X equal to 0 to 1, you can get the resulting probability values here. These are all the values of the binomial expression Q plus P whole power N here. That's why it is called a binomial distribution here. So, the distribution is generally called a binomial distribution. For you see that the curve of the binomial distribution depends upon the N and P are the parameters. That is very important because Q can be identified by 1 minus P. P plus Q is equal to only two probability values. Therefore, Q can be identified by 1 minus P form. Therefore, N and P are the parameters, very important parameters. It depends upon N and P value, number of trials. N represents number of trials here. P is the probability, chance of success here, chance of getting that corresponding success here. So based on P value, based on N value, you can get 0 success, 1 success, 2 success. The corresponding success values probability are given here. The curve is given for a certain one random experiment. Similarly, based on the given condition, and similarly based on N and P value. Here some other N and P values are here. Red color denotes N equal to 28, P equal to 0.5, this red color figure, and the green colors represent N equal to 100, trial is 100, P equal to probability value 0.5, and so on. It is like somewhat of, it is discrete values only. X equal to 11, this will be the probability value based on N and P. 0.20, 20% chances are there getting 11 successes under this N and P value. Similarly, here different N and P value, we have different shape of curves we are getting here, but these are all discrete values only. The particular values are curve. It seems like a bell-shaped curve, depends upon the N and P values here, but it is not continuous, it is discrete values only. Discrete values. In that manner, you can get it. Now, based on this PDF, NCX P power X Q power N minus X, we have some results here. First one is MGF, moment generative function, that is Q plus P power T whole power N. From that MGF, you can identify mean, that is given as NP, and similarly you can find variance from that MGF, that is given as NPQ, and standard deviation is n square root of NPQ. Now we derive the expression of this one here, MGF. First of all, MGF here, Q plus remaining things are reductions only. Right now, derive the PDF of that, MGF of the binomial distribution. MGF of the binomial distribution. Yes. I'm sorry. Yes, derivation, MGF, we are going to consider here, binomial distribution. We know that PDF of binomial distribution, P of n comma P is f of x equal to NCX P power x Q power n minus x here. X varies from 0 to n. Now we are concentrating on MGF here. For MGF mx of t, MGF mx of t is equal to expectation of e power tx, expectation of e power tx. It is a discrete random variable. The binomial distribution involves discrete random variable here. Therefore, you can use summation for getting expectation. X varies from 0 to n. What about expectation idea here? Expectation of anything will be the function into PDF. Function into PDF. Therefore, x equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. e power tx, and f of x will be NCX P power x Q power n minus x. F of x will be f of x equal to NCX P power x Q power n minus x. Now expand this one here, NCX. Now you can combine these two. This is also power x, this is also power x. You can combine these two here. Therefore, you can get it as summation x equal to 0, 1, 2, etc. up to n, NCX. You can combine P and e power t, P power t power x and Q power n minus x. Now put x equal to 0, NC 0, 1. This is also power 0, 1. Therefore, you can get Q power n plus NC 1, P e power t, Q power n minus 1. NC 2, are getting binomial series. P e power t whole square, Q power n minus 2 plus etc. If you put x equal to n, n is the n value, NC n is 1, you can get P e power t power n, P e power t power n 0, Q power 0, 1. Now you see that here you are getting a binomial expression here, a power n, NC1, a power n minus 1, this one increases, decreases, and go on here. So you can get Q plus P e power t whole power n. Started with the Q power n, end with the P e power t here, therefore Q plus P e power t whole power n is what you started left side here. Left side is mx of t, moment generating function. Therefore, moment generating function is this one here, Q plus P e power t whole power n, Q plus P e power t whole power n. From this you have to derive mean and variance, here. That is also very simple here. Mean, already you know that from moment generating function, deductions. Mean from moment generating function is mu dash 1, mu dash 1, that is given by d by dt of mx of t at t equal to 0. One time derivative, mu dash 1 means one time derivative. D by dt mx of t at t equal to 0. D by dt mx of t is now q plus p power t, q plus p power t whole power n, whole power n at t equal to 0, One time derivative here, one time derivative for n, q plus p e power t whole power n minus 1. There is definition of this one with respect to t. Again, p e power t at t equal to 0. Now put t equal to 0 everywhere. What you can get here, n, t equal to 0, here e power 0, 1. Therefore, q plus p whole power n minus 1. T equal to 0, p e power 0, 1. Therefore, p e power 0, 1, p only. P only. Then what about this result here? Already you know that in binomial distribution, p plus q is equal to 1. P plus q is equal to 1. Therefore, this part becomes 1 here. So only you can get it as a NP, N into P. For mean, that is a mean. Mean of binomial distribution is equal to NP. Since already you know that in binomial distribution P plus Q is equal to 1. Therefore, you can get mean equal to NP. Therefore, if you want to get variance you have to use d square by dt square. Mu dash 2 you have to identify. For mu dash 2, one derivative is already over. One derivative, this is the one derivative already over. Just you find another derivative, sorry, one more derivative only. Right. Similarly, variance, for variance, that can be written as mu dash 2 minus mu dash 1 square. Mu dash 1 square. Now, mu dash 2. Mu dash 2 is equal to d square by dt square of mx of t. D square by dt square of mx of t at t equal to 0. D by dt of mx of t. D by dt of mx of t at t equal to 0. At t equal to 0. D by dt of mx of t, already you know that here np, I think np e power t, q plus p e power t, sorry, q plus p e power t whole power n minus 1, I think. You see that previous page. Np e power t, q plus p e power t whole power n minus 1, this is the one derivative. Already one derivative is over. One derivative is over. Now we differentiate this expression and then put t equal to 0. At t equal to 0. I think you can also try here. Here is also inverse e power t with respect to t. This is also with respect to t. I will differentiate like a UV model. Suppose I will differentiate this one. This one will means np e power t only. You keep this one as it is, p e power t whole power n minus 1 as it is, plus I will keep this one as it is now, np e power t as it is. Differentiate this part only, n minus 1 q plus p e power t whole power n minus 2 into p e power t, whole power n minus 2 into p e power t. And finally, you have to put t equal to 0. T equal to 0. What type of relations you can get here? You put t equal to 0 everywhere. Further, no need of any simplification. Just to put t equal to 0. E power 0, 1, np only. Np. Already e power 0, 1. Q plus b is already 1. Therefore, you can get np only. Np. Plus, here is also e power 0, 1. Therefore, np. N minus 1 as it is here. N minus 1. Here q plus p 1. Power anything, any power means 1 only. Therefore, here p only. P. Therefore, you can get because of p plus q is equal to 1, p plus q is equal to 1, you can get this relation here. This relation. For np plus n square p square, this part here. N square p square minus np, minus np, minus np square, this part. Minus np and one more p minus np square, np square. Therefore, if you glub these two here, np and np square here, np you take it outside here, 1 minus p plus n square, p square, n square, p square. What about 1 minus p? 1 minus p is what? Q, npq, and n square, p square, n square, p square. Therefore, you can get mu dash 2 is like this case, mu dash 2. This is mu dash 2. Mu dash 2. Mu dash 2 is equal to npq, n square, p square. Now, variance means mu dash 2 minus mu dash 1 square. Mu dash 2 minus mu dash 2, mu dash 1 square. Therefore, the next page, if you write like this here, variance equal to mu dash 2 minus mu dash 1 square. It will be n square, p square plus npq and minus np whole square. Already mu dash 1 is np only. Therefore, these two are get cancelled. These two are get cancelled. Therefore, your answer will be np. Therefore, variance of binomial distribution is npq. Therefore, standard deviation is square root of npq only. Therefore, standard deviation is square root of np. This is the idea to get the result of these two here. Mean, variance, sorry. Yes, these are the important results you have to remember again. In binomial distribution, mean, MGF, mean, variance, and standard deviation. Standard deviation. Now we can move on to some problems based on the binomial distribution idea. All the problems are simple and also it will be interesting. You see the first problem here, out of 800 families with 4 children each, And one more thing you have to remember, binomial distribution only 2 probability values here, 2 probability, P and Q. We can denote P for main thing, success, and another Q for remaining thing here, failure, remaining part. Only 2 items here. First one is P, another one is Q, P plus Q is equal to 1. Therefore, wherever if you find only 2 probability values are there, you can immediately approach binomial distribution. And one more thing, wherever the trials also there, that experiment goes on 5 times, 10 times, 20 times here. Therefore, if the trial number is also there, then immediately you can move on to the binomial distribution. In that manner, you can approach that PDF. You can easily adapt it. Therefore, you see this problem here. Out of 800 families with 4 children each, how many families would be expected to have 2 boys, 2 girls, and some conditions are there. At least 1 boy, at most 2 girls, children of both sex. And they are given condition that assume equal probabilities for boys and girls. They are asking like that. Therefore, assume equal probability for boys and girls here. These are the probability value here. Suppose if you represent boys probability for getting a boy baby like that here, you can give the probability 1 by, because only 2 things are here, boy and girls here. Therefore, 1 by 2 and 1 by 2. That type of probability you can approach. Therefore, P and Q you can use here. P is also 1 by 2 and Q is also 1 by 2. That type of manner you can proceed. Now, 800 families is total number of idea, but in each family you are going to consider only 4 children here. We are going to consider 4 children. For each family, you have the trial will be 4 only. You have the trial for 4 children here. 4 children trial only, and that 4 children, they are asking that you have to identify that first one, that a family contains 2 boys and 2 girls. In that manner you have to find. And after that, you have to multiply by the result, the probability result by 800. Then you can get number of families you can get. Similarly, for getting at least 1 boy and so on. You see that here. Anyway, you identify that only 2 probabilities here. P for boy and Q for girl, or P for girl and Q for boy. That manner, any manner you can proceed here. Only 2 probability. And also, each family contains only 4 children. Therefore, trial is also 4. X equal to 0, 1 to 4. 0, 1 to 4. But you have to fix X also here. What is X represent here? X, suppose you see that all the sublutions, boy here, at least 1 boy, at most 2 girls, and children both. When you consider first 2 sublutions here, boys are there here. Therefore, you can represent, suppose if you represent both any manner, X equal to X represent the number of boys in the family. In that manner you can represent. Therefore, 4 trials are there. Therefore, no boys, 1 boy, 2 boys, 3 boys, 4 boys. In that manner you can proceed here. Therefore, X represent number of boys in a family, and the trial goes to 4. And the probability also P equal to 1 by 2, Q equal to P for represent the probability of getting boy. In that manner you can proceed here. Therefore, if we move on to the problem here, based on the given condition, first problem solution, given 800 families, total number, this is common idea, this is not in the PDF, but it is a common idea. And X represent number of boys in a family, then based on the given condition, X takes a value 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 because N, the trial will be goes up to only 4 children each. 4 children in each family. Therefore, no boys, 1 by, 2 by, 3 by, 4 by. Therefore, now here probability of P means probability of getting a boy. Probability of getting a boy baby like that here. Then you can get 1 by 2. It is not given. They have given that assume equally likely. Assume equally likely. Base Q is equal to 1 by 2. Q is also 1 by 2. Since Q is equal to 1 minus P, 1 minus P. Then the first subdivision is that the probability that the family contains 2 boys and 2 girls. 2 boys and 2 girls. 2 boys and 2 girls. Probability of getting 2 boys and 2 girls. What about the value you can represent in terms of x here? X. Because, before moving it to binomial, one minute here. Based on the idea, you can use binomial PDF, binomial PDF here. For because P you know that here, Q you know that, and similarly all the values you know that here. Therefore, based on, by binomial distribution, distribution, you can write the PDF also. Distribution PDF probability of x equal to x. F of x equal to probability of x is equal to x will be ncx p power x q power n minus x. ncx, n means here 4 trials only, 4cx, p power x 1 by 2 power x, q also 1 by 2, 1 by 2 power, trial is 4 only. Number of boys 1, 2, 3, 4. X here, x represents successes means number of boys. X equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 here. X equal to x means number of boys. Therefore, based on this, you have the first condition that probability that the family contains 2 boys and 2 girls. The family contains 2 boys and 2 girls. This PDF for x equal to x, x equal to x, that x means what here? Number of boys, x equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So what about what manner you can represent this p value? Any idea?
P of x equal to 2.
Very good. P of x is equal to 2. Therefore, probability of x equal to 2. X equal to 2 means exactly 2 boys here. They are asking exactly 2 boys here. Therefore, every family contains 4 children here. Therefore, exactly 2 boys means remaining thing will be 2 girls only here. Therefore, you can get 2 boys and 2 girls here. Already you will have the PDF 4cx p power x q power n minus x here. Here x equal to 2 here. Therefore, you can get 4c2. P is already 1 by 2. P power x, q power n minus x here. Q is also 1 by 2. N is 4 already. 4 minus 2, 2 here. 4 minus 2, 2. Therefore, you can get 4c2, 6. It will be 4c2 means 4 factorial, 2 factorial, 2 factorial, 2 get cancelled. 6 here. 6 here. And 1 by 2 power 1 by 4. And here is also 1 by 4. 1 by 4. Power 2. Therefore, your answer will be 6 by 16 here, or otherwise 3 by 8 here. The probability that a family contains 2 boys and 2 girls based on the given condition is that 3 by 8 here. Therefore, number of families you have to multiply by 800. Number of families contains 2 boys and 2 girls. 2 boys and 2 girls. That is equal to 800. You have to multiply by 3 by 8. 300. That contains 2 boys and 2 girls. In that manner, you can. That is a very simple idea again. And then you see that here another one is that at least 1 boy. At least 1 boy here. The probability that at least 1 boy. At least 1 boy means what about x notation here? Probability of x greater than or equal to 1. Or you can use instead of 1, 2, 3, 4, you can use complement also here. X less than 1. X less than 1. Therefore, probability that x less than 1. It means x equal to 0. X equal to 0. Therefore, 1 minus x equal to 0 means 4c0, 1 by 2 power 0, 1 by 2 power 4 minus 0. 4 minus 0. Or 4c0, 1. Here 1 by 2 power 4, 1 by 16. Therefore, 15 by 16. 15 by 16. Therefore, the number of families having at least 1 boy. At least 1 boy. That is equal to 800 into 15 by 16. 750. 50. It will be 50 into 15. 750. The number of families will be 750. Right. Next, third condition is that at most two girls. At most two girls. Probability that at most two girls. At most two girls. What manner you can represent X means here X represent only boys here. X represent only boys here. Therefore, you cannot represent directly by X here. Suppose if you represent Y as another random variable, Y is for girls here. At most two girls here. At most two girls means suppose Y represent girls here. Therefore, Y less than or equal to 2, but not in the condition. But for our convenience, we take it that here. But Y less than or equal to 2 means Y is equal to 0, Y equal to 1, and Y is equal to 2. Okay? At most two girls here. For at most two girls, this represent girls here, but your PDF is only for boys here. For 0 girls means what about here X idea? X.
4 boys.
4. X is equal to 4. This represent girls. Y represent girls. For 1 girl means what about X value here?
3, sir.
3, yeah. 3. 2 girl is equal to 2, exactly equal to 2. 2 girl means definitely X is also 2. X is also 2. In that manner you can get. For X equal to 2, X equal to 3, X equal to 4. Because Y represent X only we have, but girls they are asking here. Therefore, convert that girl in terms of boys here. Girl in terms of boys here. Therefore, where Y is for girls. Y is for girls. Then you can also write 1 minus of remaining idea here, X equal to 0 plus X equal to 1. X equal to 0, X equal to 1. That manner also you can write here. X equal to 0, 4C 0, 1, and P power 0, 1 here. Therefore, Q power 1 by 2 power 4 minus 0. Plus here 4C1 is 4, and P power 1, 1 by 2. And 1 by 2 power 4 minus 1, 3. 4 minus 1, 3. So 1 minus 1 by 16, 1 by 16. And 4 here it is also 1 by 16, 4 by 16. So 1 minus 5 by 16, 5 by 16. 1 by 16, 4 by 16, 4 by 16 here. And then 16 minus 11, 11 by 16. The number of families means you have to multiply by 800, therefore 800 it will be 50, 50, 550, 550. You multiply by 800, multiply by 800, therefore 50 you can get it here, or 55, 550, 550. Number of families will be 550. In that manner, all of you understand here. They are asking in terms of girls here, but you represented the PDF only for boys here. We are converting girls in terms of boys in this area. And you can get the corresponding result. Right. And children of both sex. Children of both sex means what about your P value here? Any idea?
2, 3, 4.
Huh?
2, 3, 4.
Greater than or equal to 2.
2, 3, 4. X equal to 2, 3. Children of both sex means 1 is also possible, na? 1
Yes, sir.
boy
1, 2,
means
3.
1, 2, 3, 4. Not only this one, 1, 2, 3, 4.
So 4 means girl will not be there.
A girl only. That was 1, 2, 3 only. 1. This is 2. This is 2 plus 3. Not 2, 3, 4. It's 1, 2, 3. 1 boy means remaining are girls. 2 boys remaining girls. 3 boys, 1 girl. X equal to 4 means exactly girls only. Boys only. X equal to 0 means exactly girls only. Therefore, both X means 1, 2, 3. That is the only thing possible. Therefore, here is also you can write 1 minus are remaining, or you can use exact value here. Can you give the answer for this one here? The same way.
7 by 8.
7
By 8.
7 by 8. Number of families will be
700.
700. 700. Number of families will be 700. Multiply by 800. Your answer will be 700. This way you can add up. Therefore, where can you adopt a binomial distribution means only two probability values P and Q. Here boys and girls only two probability, and number of trial is finite trial. N equal to 4 only. Based on that, we can construct the PDF NCX P power X Q power N minus X here. What is X? That is very important. What X represents, that is very important. Based on that X value, we can identify the given condition. Therefore, and the simple way you can use binomial distribution in order to get the probability values. In order to get these probability values. See the another problem. It is also very simple. A noisy transmission channel has a per digit error probability P equal to 0.01. Per digit error probability is P equal to 0.01. Calculate the probability that more than one error in 10 received digits. More than one error in 10 received digits. For totally they are receiving 10 digits here, 10 digits here. Therefore, number of trial will be 10. 10 digits they are going to receive here. Error probability receiving the digit, error probability is 0.01, that is given here. Therefore, Q you can identify 1 minus P, that's also you can. Therefore, P you know that, Q you know that. Now, N is also you know that here. Therefore, you can construct the PDF. That PDF represent errors, number of errors. Because 10 digits you are going to receive here. Therefore, no errors. 1 error, 2 error, 3 error, in that manner. Per digit error probability they have given here. In that manner you can construct here. Right. P given and N is also you know that here. Therefore, in that manner you can proceed. Second problem solution. Given P equal to 0.01, N as a 10. N as a 10. X represent number of errors per digit. Error per digit here. Then here Q can be written as 1 minus P. Q can be written as 1 minus P. Therefore, it will be 0.09. 0.09, that is Q, and the correspondingly you can note that. Therefore, by binomial distribution, you can write the PDF for errors here. NCX P power X Q power N minus X. 0 error, 1 error, 2 error, and then all the 10 errors, all the 10 digits error. Therefore, we can get it as 10CX. P is 0.01 power X. Q is what here 0.09 power N minus X here. 10 minus X. 10 minus X. X varies from 0, 1, 2, 3, 10.
So Q is 0.99.
Oh, sorry, 0.99. Sorry. Q is 0.99. Sorry. Q is 0.99 and 0 to 10. And then they are asking that calculate the probability that more than one error in 10 received digits. More than one error. Therefore, probability that more than one error in 10 received digit means more than one error means X greater than 1. Therefore, we can write X less than or equal to 1. Instead of calculating 1 to 10, 2 to 10, you can use this idea here. 1 minus X equal to 0, X equal to 0, X equal to 1. X equal to 0, X equal to 1. In that manner, you can get it. X equal to 0, you can put here 0, P is 0.01, Q is 0.99 here, 99. More than one error. 1 minus X equal to 0. X equal to 0 means 10C01 and P power X 0.01 power 0. Q power 0.99 power 10 minus 0, 10. 10 minus 0, 10 plus NC 10C1 here, 10. This point will be 0.01 power 1 and 0.99 power 9. This is 1 only. This is 1 into 1. Can you give the answer for this one here? Power 10 and power 9. 0.99. One minus, that is also important.
0.00426, sir.
Okay, right. 0.00426.
6.
All right. Right, that will be your answer here. Getting more than 1 digits in received 10, more than 1 error in 10 received digits. All right. This will be your idea. Wherever you have a P and Q, you can approach binomial distribution. Binomial distribution. You see another problem here. In a binomial distribution consisting of 5 independent trials, they are given exactly binomial. Trial also given as a n 5 independent trials. Probability of 1 and 2 successes are 0.4096, 0.2048 respectively. Probability of getting 1 success x equal to 1 and x equal to 2. That probability values are given. They are asking there find the parameter p of the distribution. Find the parameter p of the distribution. I think it is also very simple. You can identify easily. You see that here 5 independent trials and x equal to 1, 0.4096, 2048, x equal to given n equal to 5, 5 independent trials. Also given that probability of getting 1 success is 0.4096 and 2 success also given here, probability x equal to 2, 0.2048, 0.2048. These values are given here. By here they are given that x follows binomial distribution. X follows binomial distribution. And by the PDF idea, your PDF will be NCX p power x q power n minus x. NCX p power x q power n minus x. And therefore we can use x equal to 1 means NC1, n is given here 5C1 p power x, p you don't know, therefore x equal to 1, p power 1 and q power n minus x. Q can be written as 1 minus p because they are asking p. P is the main idea we need here. And the n minus 1, 5 minus 1, 4. That is equal to 0.4096. And x equal to 2, 5C2, p power 2, 1 minus p. X equal to 2 means 5 minus 2, 3. 3. That is equal to 0.2048. They are asking what is p. What is p? Therefore, you divide highest element by lowest power here. Then divide these two here. 5C1 is 5, p and 1 minus p power 4 and whole divided by 1 by 2. Suppose this is 1, this is 2 and 1 by 2 gives 5C2 10, 10 p square 1 minus p power 3. 0.4096 by 0.2048. This is 1 and power 4 here. Sorry, these two are get cancelled. Power 1 you can get that. This is 2. So you can get it as an answer as a 1 by p and 1 minus p by 1 minus p by p. P that is equal to here 2, here 2, 2, 2, 4. 4 you can get. 1 minus p is equal to 4p, 4p, p equal to 1 by 5. The value of p is equal to 1 by 5. 1 by that one I can. Very simple idea only. Just divide, you can get the corresponding results. P is equal to 1 by 5. See the another problem here. I think all of you can try this problem yourself here and give the answer. If the MGF of your random variable capital X, MGF of your random variable capital X is 0.4 e power t plus 0.6 power n, 0.8, find its mean and variance. They have given generally MGF of a random variable. What type of random variable, that is also not given. But MGF, some form is given here. What is this MGF form here? You see that here it is like a Q plus p e power t whole power n form here. Q plus p e power t whole power n. That is the MGF of the binomial distribution. That is the MGF of the binomial distribution. Therefore, you can correspondingly you can find its mean and variance. Mean and variance. For here, MGF is given as MGF given as a 0.4 4 e power t 0.6 power 8. 0.4 e power t plus 0.6 0.6 power 8. 0.6 power 8 here, because by addition is 1. 8 form here. So it is of the form q plus p e power t whole power n. The form of binomial distribution MGF. The form of binomial distribution MGF. Q plus p e power t whole power n. Implies q is equal to 0.6, p is equal to 0.4, n equal to 8. N equal to 8 here. From this MGF, they are asking mean and variance here. Therefore, no need to differentiate directly. You can write here. For NP, or you can get it as 3 point. Your answer will be NP is equal to 3.2. And the variance of binomial distribution is what is NP Q. Already NP is 3.2. Q is 0.6 here. Q is 0.6 here. Therefore, what about your answer here? 1.92. For your answer will be 1.92. For NP is equal to 3.2, that is mean. For mean equal to 3.2, and then variance equal to 1.92. Therefore, no need to differentiate this MGF. Directly, you can use binomial, because already you know that this is how the form of binomial distribution MGF. No need to differentiate anything. Directly use the formula, know the result, NP and NPQ. With the help of that, you can identify mean and